catch it, it's life. If you leave it, it's a waste. I think you can catch it right. I'm talking about the National Water Mission's campaign, Catch the Rain, with the tagline, Catch the rain where it falls, when it falls. It is to push the states to create suitable rainwater harvesting structures suitable to the climatic conditions and subsoil strata. What are the different ways of rainwater harvesting? In scientific terms, water harvesting refers to collection and storage of rainwater and also other activities aimed at harvesting surface and groundwater, prevention of losses through evaporation and seepage, and all hydrological studies and engineering inventions aimed at conservation and efficient utilization of the limited water endowment of physiographic unit such as watershed. Sir, he catch the rain ही idea कशी आयली?
कॅच द रेन आयडिया ही सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाची ही एक येवजण जी तेणी कित्याक काडल्या पावसाचें उदक पडटा तें आमी खंय तरी आडोवन दवरपाचें आनी तें फ्युचराक यूज करपाचें. हे जे आमी पिट्स मारल्या ते 3 मीटर बाय 0.5 मीटर बाय 1 मीटर डेप्थाचे अशें आमी पीट मारल्या आनी हे पिटाचें कितें जाता 5-5 मीटर स्पेसिंगाचें तें पीट मारल्या कारणान वयल्यान जें उदक येता पावसाचें तें प्रत्येक हेजेर तें ट्रेंचांक रावता आनी तें उदक सकयल जिरता आनी हे पावस गेले उपरांत सुद्दां आमकां तें मागीर तें एक्विफरांचें उदक झरांच्या रुपान आमकां खंय तरी यूज करूंक मेळटा.
Our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant says that our elders were more careful in conserving water and rainwater harvesting, but now everyone feels that the government should only take care of it. So under which he has launched Jal Shakti Abhiyan on the theme Catch the rain where it falls, when it falls. Collective efforts from government and public can bring wonders in this directions. There are different methods in this. One is rooftop rainwater harvesting. In this technique, the rainwater that has fallen on the roof of houses or buildings is collected in storage or underground tanks through the help of pipes. Plastic pond concept. Plastic liners are most commonly used in the villages to collect the rainwater. These plastic liners are ultraviolet ray resistant and chemically treated, which means these do not easily degrade due to sun exposure and rain. Bunds, or as we like to call them, earth smileys, are semicircular shaped pits that capture rainwater. They are dug in project areas in order to capture rainwater that will otherwise get washed away over. Bandharas. Bandharas are water harvesting systems that have been used in India for centuries. They involve harvesting rainwater from the monsoon season and storing it to be used at a later time. In Goa, there are around 380 open-type bandharas and 7,000 rainwater harvesting pits, and around 150 ponds and lakes, 15 rooftop rainwater harvesting, and 37 mining pits. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modiji says that it is high time we think about water conservation. Water is life for us and also a stream of development.